I, Dr. Bhupen Kumar Verma, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I deliver lecture on Life Cycle of Dracunculus. सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि ड्रैकुलस है क्या चीज़ है। तो ड्रैकुलस इज ए नेमेटोड एनिमल which belongs to the phylum or superphylum Aschelminthes. It is a parasite and which generally complete their life cycle in human as well as in the cyclops. Cyclops is a secondary host and human is a primary host. If we can see the general habit and habitat of the Dracunculus, Dracunculus generally formed in parasitic forms and it is generally occur in sometimes for the water and sometimes for the human as well as in the cyclops. It is found in tropical country like that South Africa, Arabia, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. But in Rajasthan, this animal found in South Rajasthan. This is the endemic in Rajasthan, but we can see in India. In India, it is found in an endemic form in Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. In this state, this animal is endemic and this animal generally called as guinea pig or dracon or guinea pig like that. These animals generally completed their life cycles in a two way. When the human take the water from the any ponds or any water bodies without any filtration, then the cyclops also taken in the water when humans engulf, and this cyclops bear the lot of Dracunculus larvae, and this Dracunculus enter in the stomach of the human and also the intestine of the human. The stomach enzymes digest the cyclops and the larva release in the stomach, then it enter in the stomach wall or the intestine wall. Further, the Dracunculus goes to the subcutaneous tissue of the human body. Then here the Dracunculus, generally Dracunculus like a thread like animals, and they are the dioecious. Male and female are found in different forms. Male are small size and female found in a large size, and the males and females head are found in coiled form. Here the papilla is present, which helps to the attachment, and also the female are found in the human body. The tail region of the females is very important for these animals because hook-like structure found in these females which attach to the humans for the further process. So now the subcutaneous tissue, it enters the subcutaneous tissue, and here it releases the chemical which blister the surface of subcutaneous tissue. It operate 5 to 7 centimeter blister. Then this blister create the ulcer, and in the ulcer the pore is created, by which the larva is released into the water, and this larva like a micro in centimeter size, and this larva engulfed or consumed by the cyclops. Cyclops is a arthropoda animals. Arthropoda is a phylums, and it belongs to the Crustacea class. The shape of these animals like that, found the antenna and the tail spines. These animals engulf the larva, and its larva found in alveolar form. After this, the alveolar form larva goes to the 2 mold, and it converted into the L2 and L3 larva. Then L3 larva further release or engulf by the human through the water or by the fish, and further fish captured or eaten by the humans. Then this cycles goes to the continue in primary host human and secondary host cyclops. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels and visit for website gurukpo.com. Thank you.